Today we are going to learn how to get random number from a range. Now let's get started. Here we are going to learn two different math function, Math.random and Math.floor. Math.random returns floating point random number which is equal to 0.0 or less than 1.0. Math.floor returns you the largest integer less than or equal to given number. In short, if you give a positive number that lies between 5 to 5.99 or 1 to 1.99, it will always give you the exact number. If you pass 5 to 5.99, it will give you 5. If you pass a negative number, minus 5 to minus 5.99, inside some other random number like minus 5.88, it will always give you minus 6. This is how it works. We are going to use this math.random and math.floor, then using which we are going to return a random integer from a range. For that, first we need a math.random, that we need to multiply it with n plus 1. Here the n value is 2, so it would be 3. Then we need to floor it up, math.floor, because math.random will give you only the uh, floating point number which lies between 0.0 less than 1.0. Say if you want to start from 1 to 2, it is very simple. You can use directly the number 2, but you need to add a plus 1 to the result. That's it. Now run our code. Here you can see it returns 0 2. Let's try to run again to see what it gives. Again 0 2. Let's try to run again. Here you can see it return 2 2. This is how it works. Thanks for watching.